Good morning, student. My name is Mrs. Supriya and I am from Premchand Memorial Public School. Student, I request you all please take out your math test book and in that open page number 15, that is perimeter and area. Okay, let's talk about perimeter first. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. The word perimeter is derived from the word peri, which means around, and meter, which means measure. Thus, perimeter is the measure around something. Like if we talk about perimeter of a square, अगर हम perimeter of square की बात करते हैं, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. मतलब we are talking about the sides only. Like if we have to fence a garden, okay, then we will take out perimeter. Got it, student? Now let's talk about rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Here also, see, this is breadth and this is length of a rectangle. So here two opposite sides are equal, okay, but not all sides are equal. So that we will take 2 into L plus B, matlab length plus breadth is a formula for rectangle. Now, perimeter of a triangle. If we talk about triangle, here sum of all sides. We add all the sides. Okay, perimeter में हम सिर्फ बाहर का हिस्सा निकालते हैं बच्चे. Okay, we talk about the outer area. Okay, now see example number 1. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Here figure is given. We don't know the name of the figure and we have to find out the perimeter. What we will do? We will add all the given length of the figure. Okay, like 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2, 3, 2, 3 and here 2. But this length is not given. First we will get this length, then this will be 3. Okay, and here this will be 3 and this is 3. Then this total is 9 centimeter. Got it, student? Now come to next page. See, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया AB is 9 centimeter. बाकी का हमने लिख दिया क्या क्या लेंथ थी. Then we got 26 centimeter. We gets a perimeter of a given figure. Like this, we will take the perimeter of these figures. Got it, student? Now, let's see example number 2. Find the length and breadth of a parallelogram if its perimeter is 270. Give the length of its parallelogram in twice its breadth. Then what we will do? Let the breadth is equal to x. Then the parallelogram perimeter is 2L plus B. Now perimeter is given, that is 272, 2x plus x because twice of breadth. So we get 3x is equal to x यहीं रह गया. We take it below here. We got 45. Breadth is 45 and the length is 90 centimeter. Got it, student? कि हमने perimeter कैसे निकाला. चलिए अब एक बारी प्रैक्टिकल देखते हैं. See student, perimeter of square क्या था? 4 into sides and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B यानी कि length plus breadth and perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Got it, student? Now let's talk about area. See, concept of area. A closed shape occupies some surface on a plane. The part of the surface enclosed within a closed shape is called its area. वो जो होता है उसका जो क्लोज होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? एरिया. Now see, ये एक फिगर दे रखी है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया. एरिया मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंटरनल पार्ट. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? पेरीमीटर में we find the outside part and in area we will find the internal part. That is, if we talk about outside, perimeter. If we talk about inside, that is area. Got it, student? Now, we can measure the area of any shape by counting the number of square units the shape occupies. Follow these steps to find the area. अब जैसे यहाँ पर अगर हमें इनका शेप्स का एरिया निकालना है, we will count the squares. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? अब ऐसे अगर हमें कोई फिगर गिवन है, उसका हम एरिया निकालना है, हाउ वी टेक इट? लेट्स सी. सपोज अगर हमें एक स्क्वायर का एरिया निकालना है, व्हाट वी विल डू? एरिया ऑफ if we have to take a area of a rectangle, then what we will do? We will do area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, means L into B. By this method we can take area of a rectangle. Got it? Now if we have to take area of a square, then what we will do? यहाँ पे पूरी साइड्स इक्वल होती है. Then area of a square is equal to side into side, means A is equal to S square. Got it, student? Now if we have to take a area of a right isosceles triangle, then what we will do? Then area of a right isosceles triangle is equal to 2 into area of a triangle, that is A square. Got it? Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half A square. Got it, student? हमने कैसे निकाला इसको? Very good. Now come to page number 145. See, student, area of a right angle triangle. If we have to find out the area of a right angle triangle, then what we will do? Area of a right angle triangle is equal to half L into B. What is the area? Half L into B of a right angle triangle. Student, these formulas you have to keep in your mind. आपको अपने माइंड में ये formulas रखने हैं. Then उसके बाद ही you can take out the sums. Okay. Now area of a ट्राइंगल. अभी तक हमने बात करी आइसोसेलेस की एंड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल की. अब बात करते हैं सिंपल ट्राइंगल की. देन व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अ सिंपल ट्राइंगल? सेम एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू हाफ बी इंटू एच. यहाँ पर था एल इंटू बी, हियर बी इंटू हाइट, मीन्स ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? Now let's find the area of a parallelogram. अब अगर हमें parallelogram दिया हुआ है, first we will divide it into like this. It become a triangle. Then area of a parallelogram is equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD. मतलब दो हो गए हम पे. तो यानी हाफ इंटू B इंटू H and हाफ इंटू B इंटू H. दो ट्रायंगल्स को हमने ज्वाइन कर लिया. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? नाउ द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज B इंटू H, मीन्स ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट? अभी हमने पेरीमीटर की बात करी थी, अब हम एरिया की बात करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया था आपको, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट पेरीमीटर वी विल take a estimate of these boundaries. Okay, this is a perimeter, and if we take out the area, we will take the internal part. This is our area. Got it, student? And area of a rectangle is L into B. Area of a square is equal to side square, or you can say side into Side. Area of a triangle is equal to half b into h. Got it, student? Now let's see one example from your textbook. See example number 8. Here we have to find the area of an unshaded region. We have to find the area of an unshaded region. Then what we will do? First we will take out the area of a square, that is side square. What is the side? 22. 22 into 22 we get 484. Now area of a shaded triangle. Then we take the area of a shaded triangle, half base into altitude. What is the base? That is 22 and altitude is 22. We get 242. Now what we will do? We will subtract the area of this one and the shaded triangle. मैंने subtract किए. Now I got a area of a unshaded region. Got it, student? कैसे निकाला? This is a very easy procedure. Now in second figure, see what we have to do. We have to take the area of a rectangle. First we take the area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. I got 360 meters square. Then area of a triangle, half base into altitude. I got 90 meters square. Now area of a triangle 2, half into 10 meter into 9, this one. Okay, then the other one is like same. I got 45, here I got 90. Now area of a unshaded region is, what I will do? First I will subtract area of a rectangle from the area of a triangle. First I add these three, उसके बाद मैंने subtract किए. Got it, student? This is a very easy exercises and you previously done it also in your previous classes. किया था ना बच्चे? Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to do it. Your exercise, given assignment, then submit to me on time. Then also if you are facing any queries, please text me. Okay, all the best, student, for your given assignment.